Hello.
Hello.
We are standing at the arse end of two very different lorries. This one made near Moscow in the mid-70s. This one made near Preston, Lancashire sometime in the 90s. But that's not important right now. What is important is that this one is currently a horse box and we want to make it into
An organ chamber.
an organ chamber.
An organ chamber.
So this is a big ramp for getting horses up and down. We don't need a ramp. What we do need though is a stage, but all that's yet to come. For now we're going to take this ramp off and cover up the big void that's going to be there with this, from this box.
Okay. I don't want to come undone, do it?
Retreat into a safe distance.
Yeah.
That's an absurd amount of force going for it.
That is an absurd amount of force. Wasp's nest here somewhere. So there's suddenly a lot of wasps around.
Real ones.
Like loads of them.
I think they're in the wind chest.
Really?
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Yeah, they're going in and out there, see?
Okay.
So in there's a wind chest for the organ, which apparently has got wasps living in it.
I think they pose a significant health and safety risk.
Well, it's more the fact they're going to eat the inside of the wind chest.
Yeah.
You see, right. Well. Pop out there, Mark.
Yeah. How does it work? Like that. That's it.
To begin with, we can just cut this off, take out all of this, and take it from there. So here's the plan, Mark.
Yeah.
I've measured the gap. I've measured these. These are pretty much bang on 50. Not 50 plus the paint. So the difference between the gap here and the gap that we need is 130 mil. So 2 50s is 100. 2 15s are going to be the spacers.
I've driven it for a while.
That.
Okay.
So if you undo those top bolts, then it should pivot out on these bolts. Down about an inch.
Okay.
So it's got that way to move. That's it. There you go.
Okay. Okay. That's it.
Okay, my leg's in.
My legs won't fit. My leg's in. Look at it in the gap now. Okay, it's in the gap. Oh no, it's
I'm
not.
going to get the pin in my side. Hang on. Right, pin's in.
Okay.
Your pin in.
Okay.
Go first.
I declare this roller shutter open.
Already open.
I'm not doing it. What if all the springs fly out?
It's held up by several rivets.
I'll be very gentle.
It's not binding out.
No, so far, so good. Do you want to gently pull it on the bottom and I'll give it a right, that's stuck then, is it? I just want a bit of lube. But what if we want to get the ladies that come flocking to the front of the stage up to do...
done.
Yeah, I mean that's quite a major job as far as the coachwork's concerned.
Yeah.
In the next installation of Project Awesome, Mark and Max cut a big hole in the side of the truck, attempt to attach a ramp to it and make it waterproof. Keep watching.
Or we have a look at the Zill.
Or we have a look at the Zill.
Oh no.
Oh no. God, I mean it's in a much worse state than when we were last in here.
Anyway, all that coming up next. Wave, Mark.
Bloody hell.